My education at the University of Idaho allowed me to experience things that I probably would have never gotten a chance to. When I was in architecture school, one of the easiest ways to build a model was to use the laser cutter that they had on campus. I would just lay out the pieces that I'd cut with that laser cutter on top of that and build my model. And it was kind of that aha moment of, why don't we just do that exact thing in real life? I got a targeted ad for this hacking for home building competition, and since we had the idea and we weren't really going anywhere with it, we're like, if nothing else, this gives us some exposure. But we ended up taking first place in that competition, and through the connections that we developed there, we're able to partner with Franklin Building Supply to create this opportunity here.
Winning the prize money, winning the competition was great publicity, and it gave a little bit of seed money to the operation. You've been told this will never work before, or you can't do that, or you're not qualified, or you don't have the skill set. And we've 100% navigated all of those hurdles and answered those no's with watch me do it.